Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Internships on BIW Fixture Design. In this video lesson, I will explain the welding fixture design for the simplified chassis frame of a truck. To enroll in this certification course, visit elearn.royal-mechanical.com. This project aims to design a welding fixture to weld the simplified chassis frame of a truck. The simplified chassis frame of a truck consists of 2 longitudinal members and 3 cross members. First, position the longitudinal members to weld the simplified chassis frame of a truck. Then, position the 3 cross members. Then, weld all the members. For a mass production scenario, the question is how to position the members accurately. Also, how do you hold the position of the members during welding? The answer is a welding fixture. First, we will design the locator assemblies to position the longitudinal member. Now, we can accurately position the longitudinal member. We can use standard toggle clamps and hold the longitudinal member in position during welding. The standard toggle clamp will be mounted on the riser block. Similar locator assemblies will be used to locate the second longitudinal member. Standard toggle clamps will be used to clamp the longitudinal member. Similar locator assemblies will be used to locate the 3 cross members. Standard toggle clamps will be used to clamp the cross members. All the locator assemblies and clamp riser blocks will be mounted on a base plate. Eye-bolts shall be mounted on the base plate to lift the fixture assembly. In the following few videos, I will start demonstrating the design of each fixture element, the locator assemblies, the standard toggle clamps, riser blocks, base plate, eye-bolts, etc., in both Catia V5 and Fusion 360. So, stay subscribed. To enroll in this certification course, visit elearn.royal-mechanical.com.
RoyalMechanical.com offers job and industry-oriented courses for mechanical engineers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Thanks.